Thank you for choosing us as your trusted partner in learning English. In today's video, we will explore how to talk to your old school teacher whom you met in a shopping mall and do a basic conversation. To get the most out of this lesson, we recommend repeating the phrases along with us. Let's begin. Happy learning. Good afternoon, ma'am. It's so nice to see you. How have you been?
Hello. I'm doing well, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, just in town visiting my parents.
That's wonderful. How's life treating you after graduation?
It's been good. I'm working as a consultant now.
That's impressive. I always knew you'd do well.
Thank you, ma'am. It's all thanks to your guidance.